Beauty hacks that girls must learn. Too much armpit hair is too scary. Prepare coffee powder in a bowl, lemon juice and toothpaste. Stir and mix them together. Apply evenly with your hands to your armpit hair. Wait for a while and then wipe off. Armpit hair is removed cleanly. Scary dandruff on the head. Cut aloe vera in half. Rub the juice out with your hands. Apply it to your hair. Massage gently for a while and then wash off. You'll never have to worry about dandruff again. Embarrassingly yellow teeth. Put the banana in a blender. Squeeze in toothpaste and beat together. Dip your toothbrush into it and brush it on your teeth. Keep it up for a while and your teeth will become white and shiny. Get a big pimple on your forehead. Put the tea bag in the fridge for 2 hours. Take it out and put it on the pimple. It won't take long for the pimple to go away. Too many dark circles under your eyes after a long night. Cut this shape on a banana. Put it on the dark circles under your eyes. Wait 15 minutes and remove. The dark circles will disappear. True or false tips that only the smart ones know. Put a drop of water on a leather shoe. Genuine leather shoes will get wet and darken with water. The opposite is true for fake leather. Set the silk shirt on fire with a candle. Fake silk will melt away like a plastic bag, but real silk will burn like paper. It will eventually turn to dust. Pour the honey onto a plate. Add a little water and shake a few times. If the honey is honeycomb-like, it's shiny and doesn't disperse easily, then it is real honey. If it is not, it is cloudy. Put 2 different pieces of watermelon in water. The vitamin-free watermelon has a redder flesh. It will lose its color in the water. It's a fake watermelon. Apply vitamin C extract to a cut apple. Genuine vitamin C is effective in slowing down aging. Fake ones are ineffective. Put a drop of iodine on the cheese. If it turns blue-purple, it's real cheese. Fake ones remain the same color. Drop both types of milk onto a graphite plate. Fake milk flows quickly, does not leave a trace. Real milk is milky white. It flows more slowly. It leaves a trail wherever it goes. Camping tips you certainly didn't know. Fill a bag with water. Place it in front of the fire and hold it up to the sunlight. You can light up without a match. Fill a bag with water. Tie it to the tree. Tie some holes with bamboo sticks. You can also bathe in the wild. Melt the soap. Use a syringe to inject into the mold. Cover with tinfoil. Carry it around with you. Take one out. It's easy to wash your hands anytime and anywhere. The sun is blinding when camping out. Tie a rope to 2 trees. Cover with a blanket. A simple tent is made. Squeeze toothpaste onto blotting paper. Sprinkle evenly with baking soda. Set and put in a jar. In the field, take one out when you brush your teeth. Very handy. There is no place to stay in the wilderness. Gather some cling film. Wrap it around a large tree. To make a house shape, you can sleep inside. It's also a shelter from the wind and rain. Apply lipstick to a cotton pad. Take it with you on trips. It's easy to light when you put it on the fire. Cut off the top of the potato. Hollow out the middle. Insert a few matches. Pour in cooking oil. Set the matches on fire. Makes a great light. Lasts longer than a candle. Life skills that grandma didn't know. Dip the roots of roses in honey. Stick into a fresh potato, then bury in the soil. Cut off the flowers and branches. The roses take root and sprout. More roses will bloom again in a few weeks. Cut the ginger into cubes. Soak in cold water for a day, then bury it in the soil. You'll have plenty of ginger. Wrap the orange seeds in paper towels, wet with water. Germinate and transplant into the orange peel. Place in a pot. Spray with water. Orange trees will grow in 6 months. Insert a stick in the pot. Wrap it in fiber. Secure the green pineapple to the bottom. It will then grow down the stick into a green pineapple tree. Trim the top off the radish. Cut a chrysanthemum and insert it inside the radish, and you'll get a yellow radish. Drill a hole in the tree. Put a vine branch through the hole. Seal it with a mason jar. You'll have grapes in 6 months. Keep the roots of the radish. Put it on a plate. Pour in water. Sprout and transplant into the soil and continue growing. This makes a very tasty radish. Cut the roots off the radish. Bury them in the snow. fresh radishes will grow in a month. This is not magic. This is a scientific experiment. Put a frozen watermelon into cold water. The watermelon instantly condenses into ice around it, as if it has magical power. This is the secret of turning water into ice. Can you stand the egg up? Simple. Just sprinkle a few grains of salt on the table, and the egg stands up. Cross 2 spoons together. Put a toothpick in the middle. Put the toothpick between the bottle and the tip of the toothpick. You will find that the spoons are magically hanging in the air. Put a card in the middle of the 2 magnets. Put a screw on top. Put a battery with a positive sticky copper wire near the magnet. The card magically turns up. This is the principle of the rotation of the electric car. Soak the glass with paper towels. Then light the candle and cover it with a glass. After the candle is extinguished, the cup will be able to hold it firmly in place. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. The juice from the orange peel. Can you imagine that there is a strong energy? Put a few magnets under the battery. Put a copper coil on top. This is the secret of electric car rotation. Put 2 magnets on either side of the cup. The water in the cup magically turns into a tornado. Fill a bottle with water. Use a piece of paper towel to cover the mouth of the bottle. The water in the bottle can be closed in the bottle. Did you learn it? Click on the avatar to learn more science experiments. This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Dip the end of the straw evenly into the melted caramel. Blow into the straw with your mouth, and you can blow super bubbles. 2. Place a piece of twine on top of an ice cube. Sprinkle some salt on top. After a while you'll notice the rope is stuck to the ice. You can use the rope to catch the ice. 3. Place a candle on the peeled egg. Cover with a glass. When the candle goes out, the egg is sucked into the mouth of the cup. 4. Pour milk into the Coke. A miraculous thing happens. The Coke turns transparent. This is amazing. 5. Get a pen and some matches. Wrap them in tinfoil. Pull out the pencil. Twist the side with the matches and seal it tightly. Put it in a cup. Finally, light the matches. A lot of white smoke will come out of the cup. It's so pretty. 6. Insert the apple into the bottom of the chopsticks. Tap the top of the chopsticks with a hammer. The apple will move up with the tap. Do you know why? 7. Put a drop of ink in the milk. The ink blooms like the eye of the devil. 8. Dip a brush in lemon juice. Write on the paper. Put the paper on the fire and toast it. The words will appear. 9. Put the cutout boat in the water. Drip paint on the boat. The boat is ready to go. 10. Use a marker to draw 2 small spiders on the tin. Pour the water over the spiders. Soon the spiders will float on the surface of the water. When you blow through the straw, the spiders will run away. 11. Tear the red phosphorus paper off the side of the matchbox. Light it on fire. Rub your hand with the burning ashes. Keep rubbing your fingers together. White smoke will come out from between your fingers. Follow me for more fun. Only smart people know the life skills. Crush eggshells on cracked tile seams. Drip glue on it. Use sandpaper to smooth it out. Apply the right amount of glue. Apply nail polish. Finally, wipe it with acetone. The tile is repaired. There are many scratches on the floor. Rub chocolate on the scratches repeatedly. The scratches disappeared. Boyfriend broke the stool again. Cut off the plastic bottle and put it on top. Use a lighter to heat and melt the shrinkage. The stool will be restored. How to do inside the phone into the water. Take it apart and put it inside the rice. Leave it for 1 night. The next day it can be used normally. Cut off the bottom of the paper cup. Insert a straw. Put it on the mouth of the vacuum cleaner. It will suck out the dust from the phone hole. Attach the charging cable to the pencil with a clip. Use a hair dryer to heat it up and blow on it. The charging cable becomes a neat coil. It can be freely retracted. Prepare 2 empty bottles. Cut the middle. Insert a ruler. Fix it with hot melt glue. Stick the phone case on the ruler. A simple game machine is finished. Follow me. Teach you more life skills.